Hello friends, today we will learn how to create library and what is the significance of using library. So first thing I want to tell you that once you create your project for the first time, you will see that the library is created automatically. And inside B there is the structure is like there is a prospection area, and inside prospection area there can be multiple projects, but out of that only one is going to open, and each project inside B is a will have one library associated with it, and the library name will be same as project name. So I have taken already created projects, so you can see the library and you can see the name of the project and name of the library. And to go inside your library you have to just click on this link, and to come back there is also a link inside library. So navigation between library and project is very simple. So we are going inside library, and I want to tell you the significance of library. The library is more of an internal use. So there is a expansion team inside a country, and there is a team for committees, expert committees. So if so you can take an example of expansion manager which in some country, and he has his own expansion team which has architects, construction manager, financial controller. So most 80% of the time expansion manager works inside library. This is more for its internal use. As of now what the expansion manager do, he communicates with his team with on emails. He send files on emails to one to one. So this is not an efficient way of working because the expansion team never knows where is the project, where is the file, whether the file he received is the updated one or not. So what we have done is we have created a library, and you can see different sections, and inside different section you will see a lot of information. So the expansion manager will upload files inside library, and he can notify his team members so that they can come to know that okay, expansion manager has uploaded this file, so it is of my use. So he will go in the urbanism or technical history, whatever the field he is concerned about, and he will go and he will search the information. And for the expansion manager we have made the task very easy, that if he doesn't know what information he has to feed, he can just hover over it and can see the explanation and what information he has to put. So this is one of the most important use of library. It is more of internal working. Most of the time expansion manager in his expansion team works here. But there is also one more important thing. Once he has done with this internal meeting and internal information sharing, and he decide that he's going to present this site to the committees, whether local committee or other dazi, he has to go to the project area and start filling the project area space information. So project area is more for committees for their review. So project area contains information which are required for the committees to give their opinion and validation. And library is the space for more of internal use, to create different files, to get authorization, urbanism, historical use, soil, what is the soil type, and this is. So you can understand that library is more for internal use and internal working, and it is an efficient way of working. And once present his project to different committees, get his validation, and when finally the site is open, then he has to archive all the documents. So to archive documents, he has to archive his all the document inside B, inside library. I will show you the section where he has to archive all those files. So I'm going to the library space of this project, and in the end there are 5 fields under which he has to put all the files. You can see presentation historic document, legal historic document, authentication historic document, building historic document, and layout and picture. So under these 5 sections he has to attach all the files, and that's how he will archive his project inside B and inside basically inside library. That's what I wanted to show you. Thank you very much.